Alright guys, the auction just ended for 2010 Panini Epix, box number 48. First card, Michael Turner, Brandon Jacobs, Chad Ochocinco, a Blackhawks of DeMarcus Ware, Cowboys, not number, decoy, a highlight zone of Adrian Peterson, not number, Mohamed Mascou, Philip Rivers, and Adrian Johnson. Brandon Jacobs, Chad Ochocinco, Rashad Mendenhall, Aaron Rodgers, decoy, rush hour of Rashad Mendenhall, Kenny Brett, Adrian Peterson, and Ryan Fitzpatrick. Rashad Mendenhall, Aaron Rodgers, Wes Walker, Jay Cutler. First hit is going to be Tony Romo, jersey card. There you go. And the Cowboys, that's going to go to JS 31. And it's not numbered. There you go. Alright. Anthony McCoy rookie card. Chris Johnson. Ronnie Brown. And Marshawn Lynch. Wes Walker. Jay Cutler. Kevin Cobb, Deshaun Jackson, numbered 29 of 100. Decoy, Vishanti Shenko, not numbered. Sean Green, Cadillac Williams, and Matt Castle. Kyle Orton, TJ Houshmandzadeh, Maurice Jones-Drew, Matt Ryan. Next hit, it's going to be Patrick Willis. Looks like a patch. You can see two colors right there. And that is numbered 31 out of 50. San Francisco 49ers, that's going to go to Jedker 11. There you go. Brett Favre, not numbered. Joey Flacco, Braylon Edwards, and this guy again. Kevin Cobb, Kyle Orton, TJ Houshmandzadeh, Maurice Jones-Drew, decoy, Linvale Joseph, rookie card. Nate Burleson, Steve Jackson, and Jamar Charles. Pierre Thomas, Cedric Benson, Hines Ward, Donovan McNabb, decoy, Earl Thomas, Philip Rivers, Andre Johnson, and Chris Johnson. Matt Ryan, Pierre Thomas, Cedric Benson, rookie card of Jacoby Ford, and that's numbered 245 out of 250. There we go. Decoy. Oop, card on the back. Decoy. Darrell Washington. Anquan Bolden. Steve Smith. And Josh Krebs. Hines Ward. Donovan McNabb. Tom Brady. Devin Hester. Decoy. Reggie Wayne. Not numbered. Darren Sproles. Ryan Grant. And Kellen Winslow Jr. Michael Crabtree. Dallas Clark. Chris Cooley. Sidney Rice. Decoy. Brett Favre, not numbered. Steve Slayton. Vince Young. And another Brett Favre. Deshaun Jackson. Noshawn Marino. Matt Hasselbeck. And Spellbond Steve Smith. Corner's a little crooked right there. Not numbered. Decoy. Rush Hour Reggie Bush. Not numbered. Chad Henne. Ben Roethlisberger. And Matthew Stafford. Reggie Wayne. Larry Fitzgerald. Drew Brees. Vincent Jackson. 149 out of 250. Decoy. Pierre Thomas. Low number, 14 out of 50. Mark Sanchez. Jason Witten. And Frank Gore. David Garrard. Matt Leinart. Marcus Clauston. Carson Palmer. And the third hit is going to be Eric Williams. Offensive tackle, 91 to 2000. Dallas Cowboys. Numbered 28 out of 70. There you go. And the Cowboys, it's going to go to JS 3108. Alright, next card. Rookie card of Ricky Sapp. James Laurinaitis. Dwayne Bowe. Roddy White. Matt Moore. Jason Campbell. Tony Romo. Vernon Davis. Decoy. Timothy Tone rookie card. D'Angelo Williams. Darren McFadden. And Miles Austin. Peyton Manning. Beanie Wells. Matt Forte. LaShawn McCoy. I'll save this card for last. Chris McGahee. Brandon Marshall. Ray Rice. LaDainian Thomas. And our fourth hit is going to be, oops, upside down. Sam Bradford, Jersey Auto, numbered 43 of 100. And the Rams, it's going to go to M. Garmin. That's probably what you were looking for when you got the Rams, but this is the first Bradford I pulled. He's not in a lot of boxes, so it's pretty cool. Alright. Next pack. Joseph Adaya, Clinton Portis, Randy Moss. Got a 5th hit, I believe. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 5th hit. Zach Robinson. Auto. And that is numbered 17 of 499. New England Patriots, that's going to go to Slim Shady 90. 5th hit. Okay. Decoy. So that's 2 5-hit boxes in a row. Pretty good. Drew Brees. Eli Manning. Jake Delhomme. Antonio Gates. Calvin Johnson Jr. Donnie Avery. Mike Sims Walker. Michael Turner. Pat Inger. Felix Jones. Vincent Jackson. Matt Schaub. Steve Smith. Lewis Murphy. Eddie Royale. Julius Jones. Decoy. Garrett Graham. Donald Driver. Josh Freeman. And last card, Lee Evans. Alright guys, do a recap. Alright, we got 5 hits. We got the Bradford. We got Eric Williams of the Niners, the veteran. That's it for this box. I'm starting a limited. It goes Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. If you guys want to get on that, it's great. If you got any other suggestions, such as like more of the Epic or more of the Gridiron, just send me a message. Or even the plates and patches. I like plates and patches, so whatever you guys suggest, I'll most likely buy. So, alright, I'll get these packaged and shipped out hopefully tomorrow, maybe Saturday. But thanks.